Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with roof rack, rear view camera, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, keyless entry, 6-way power driver seat adjuster, ride and handling suspension, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Sirius XM satellite radio, outside temperature display, speed sensing steering, and has less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.